In today's video, we're going to explore how Fliplink.me can transform your PDF documents into interactive flipbooks. Fliplink.me is a powerful tool that turns static PDFs into engaging online flipbooks, perfect for marketers, photographers, and real estate professionals who want to showcase their content in a more dynamic and professional way. Some of the key features of Fliplink.me include customization, add your logo, backgrounds, and custom URLs, lead generation, capture leads with integrated forms, analytics, track performance using Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, and Google Tag Manager, and white labeling, maintain brand consistency with name support. Getting started is simple. Upload your PDF, customize it to match your branding, share it via link or embed on your website, and finally, monitor engagement with detailed analytics. Regarding pricing, Fliplink.me offers a one-time payment plan starting at $129, giving you lifetime access, 100 flipbooks, 150 megabytes per PDF, unlimited name, and advanced analytics. Users particularly praise it for being easy to use and highly cost-effective. If you want to make your PDFs more interactive and visually appealing, head over to Fliplink.me today and take your content to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss our future tutorials and reviews.